been trying to circulate different information on what they can expect when they attend a certain convention, a national motorcycle convention.
Ciao, Senyor, Senyora. Welcome to Street Talks with Senyor Mark Deroy. Hello, Senyor, Senyora, Presidente Jun Dagano of LMFI and National Federation of Motorcycles. Here with me also is Miss Cherry, the beautiful Cherry, who is a fellow rider. Welcome to Kid Code Live Street Talks. Okay, so sir, kailan ba yung senyor, kailan ba yung ating upcoming convention?
Senior Mark, the convention will be on April 26 and 27. It will be at Subic Bay Convention Center.
Wow.
Subic Bay.
Wow. So, right na yan with beach pa.
Yes.
So lucky for the Visaya and Mindanao riders because tayo Luzon eh. So, very lucky for them because I'm sure they're so excited to ride their beautiful motorcycles from Mindanao, Visaya, to Luzon, no? To Subic. Wow, wow. And this is hosted by Widow Sons.
Yeah, Widow.
Ating mga kuyang, Senyora Presjun.
Yes.
Okay. So, but before this convention, Presjun, and Miss Cherry later, no? I understand that we give back to the community by serving our respective motorcycle clubs, no? But I understand na may sarili ka ring motor, no? So, why get into motorcycle? Press June muna, Senyor June, and then Senyora. What age and then why? What's the interest in two wheels?
Well, I started riding when I was 21 years old.
21 years
My first bike is actually a big bike already.
Okay.
It's a Suzuki Katana
Okay.
750, the pop-up.
Okay.
The pop-up headlight.
The famous.
The famous. It was given to me by the daughter, no, the son of Doy Laurel.
Wow, what a story. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
It was given because Larry Laurel migrated to US.
Okay.
So nobody's riding his motorcycle, and I was working with them as an artist before.
Okay.
So he gave the bike to me. So that's my first bike, 1986.
Okay, is that
Pop-up Katana.
Senyor Presjun, is that motorbike still with you?
Yes.
Wow. So
Absolutely.
beautiful, no? So I should see that one day in your garage.
It's in the garage.
With all the other rest.
Yes, yes.
Under renovation.
But-
under repair, yeah.
After that, Senyor June, till now, how many motorcycles you got, you own?
Are you gonna tell the truth?
Actually, I have 10 bikes.
Planning to tell the
10 bikes, different brands.
Wow.
Yeah.
So, kompleto
Because my
na.
3 kids are also riding.
Yeah, okay. 3 kids.
Yeah, I have 2 sons and 1 daughter who's also riding a big bike.
So that's my dream, that one day I also ride with my kids.
He's
And,
setting a good example.
Yes. Nice. And to Senora Cherry, Pres June, I understand that Cherry is not just an event organizer for our national convention because in reality, it's in her heart, it's in her passion. She rides. So, nako, Senora, may we know...
By coincidence, yes. Apparently, yes, I do ride, but I'm quite a novice rider because I only started riding during the boring season of the pandemic.
Okay.
Yeah, and then afterwards, I was able to meet a couple of groups, and from there, but like what you mentioned, by profession, I do organize events.
Yes.
And it does not feel like working as in organizing and trying to do all the logistics part. It's also this getting into this project was more of also sharing my suggestions that I have probably observed in the riding community.
Yes.
So, ano siya, naging consultant slash
Yes.
to
So,
improve those things.
so this is not parang this is not really work for you guys. This is really passion, giving back to the community, giving back to our fellow riders, and you also giving back to the passion of two wheels.
Yeah, well, looking at it, generally all those guys, or let's say those who are involved in the motorcycle community, our majority male dominant group section, right? So you probably need some women to put things in a more organized manner.
Okay.
Right, President?
So, Senyor Pres Jun,
Yeah.
si Senyora is talking about she's an alpha female, so we can remind her that we are alpha males.
No,
But,
I don't cross the borders there.
Ah,
I know where I stand.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we don't want to join them. It's complicated.
Yeah.
Male riders are very simple.
Yes.
They're very strict, complicated.
What's your next question?
Okay. Okay. So,
Let's proceed to the next question.
going back to the convention, can we know when's the date? Again, April?
April
26 and 27. That's a Friday and a Saturday on the last week of the month of April.
And in Subic?
Yeah,
Correct.
Subic Exhibition Convention Center
Okay.
in Freeport Zone. Yeah.
Okay. And as of today, how many registered motorcycle clubs? My beloved club is a registered club already. So, Senyor June, Pres June knows that. So, how many registered?
Actually, we broke the record. As of now, we have 175 registered clubs.
Wow.
nationwide.
Yeah.
Wow.
Not only here, we have clubs who registered who are
Overseas.
coming from Japan,
Yeah.
Germany, Canada, Australia.
Okay. Wow.
And there are a lot of clubs in the past who were not able to join in the previous recent years, and luckily and very humble, in humility, the president and the host club this time was able to invite them back.
Wow.
Chosen few.
Chosen
Matlock is
few.
there. Now, back to us.
Wow.
I
Okay.
think these are very
Congratulations.
Remember Matlock? They
Yeah.
started the federation.
So is Mad Dog coming back again?
Yeah.
Okay, to our Mad Dog brothers. Hello there.
Welcome.
Welcome again, and we look forward seeing your cruisers. Yeah, yeah. And then you mentioned a lot of international riders coming in.
Yes.
So is it the same colors as Widow San? Or
Yeah,
other clubs pa?
Other clubs, and mostly Widow Sons, because we have chapters, we have country representations in many countries. Right now we
Yes.
have 50 plus
Yes.
country
yes.
representatives.
Okay. Okay. Senior Pres June, can you please further expound on what Widow San is? And then when they did start entering the Philippine riding community, so that our fellow riders would know. Because ako, when I learned that Widow Sons will host the convention, when we were in Davao, of course, when we saw Pres June and Senior Admiral, we were so happy. So sige nga, kwento mo nga ng konti, Senior June.
The name of the club itself is very peculiar.
Okay, take note.
Widow Sons. Widow Sons. Our club organization is not actually a club; it's an association.
Okay.
The reason why it's association because we are an international group of Masons who ride some motorcycles. We don't want to be involved in the 1%er in abroad because in other countries we want to set up a motorcycle club. You have to get permission to the 1%er. And
Okay.
our group, because we are Freemasons, we don't want to involve in them, so we make it as an association. That's why it's a Widow Sons Masonic Riders Association.
Okay.
We started in 2013. We were chartered by Widow Sons Illinois, Chicago.
Okay, Chicago, Illinois.
Yeah.
Wow.
2013. Now we have about 302 members.
Okay.
across the Philippines.
Wow.
We have 10 chapters distributed nationwide.
And with those Sun Philippines, how do you ride? Do you ride parang once every week? Is it an official ride?
Yes, because we have so many chapters. We have 10 chapters right now. Everybody plans a ride.
Luzon only, Senyor Ju?
We have in Mindanao.
Okay.
We have in Bicol.
Okay,
And we have in Baguio.
okay.
We have in Batangas. So those chapters already schedule a weekly ride. It just depends on kahit saan mo gustong sumali.
Okay.
Saan mo gusto mo.
Okay. Nag-interest lang ako, Senyor Jun, it's because Freemasons are also close to my heart because marami po tayong mga kaibigan, no? From yung junior nyo po, Demolay,
Yes.
and then naging Freemason na po sila. So, mga kaibigan pa rin po natin yan. So, nagkataon na lang na ako naman nasama sa ibang ibang club, but we give advocacy in giving back to the community. But going back, Pres June, Senyor, to the convention, Miss Cherry. So, how did you become our president? Sige nga, bigyan mo nga kami, Pres, ng background.
Okay, way back 2019, we were already a member of LMFI, the Luzon Motorcycle Federation.
Yes.
We were invited in a club president's meeting in Cebu, where the hosting is actually bidded out by member clubs of the National Federation. We have the Visayas Confederation of Big Bike Clubs, and we have the Mindanao Federation of Big Bike Clubs. These are the two sanctioned body of National Federation,
Yes.
besides LMFI. So,
Yes.
2019, we bidded for this project, and we got a nod of the club president's meeting during that time.
Okay.
Unfortunately, pandemic came. We were not able to do it way back in 2021. So we were
So may delay.
to the
Yeah.
2 years.
Okay, 2 years.
And during the time, I'm the president of Widow Sans.
Yes.
We are supposed to back out already of the hosting because 2 years have already passed.
Yeah.
And I'm not no longer the president of Widow Sans. I'm international ambassador.
Okay.
So, but nobody wanted to, because I'm the one who presented the idea.
Yes.
They want me to lead Widow Sans.
Okay.
And whoever the lead the convention becomes the National Federation president. It goes that way.
It's automatic.
And it's also automatically you become the president of LMFI. So we actually split, okay? Admiral Dan Cortez, our president right now
Yes.
of Widow Sans, he became the LMFI president. I became the National Federation president. But he got a call from the government to
Yes. Of a special role.
political responsibility in our
Yes.
government. So
Yes.
he asked me if I can take the position. So
Yeah.
now
So shout out kay Admiral. Hello, Senyor.
Yeah.
See you soon. See you soon.
But he is our convention chairman for this national convention.
Wow. Ako, in advance, as a rider, on behalf of our club and the Two Wheels, advance congratulations to what you are doing. So, si Senora Cherry I'll be asking you, I understand that may mga magagandang activities, no?
Yeah.
Sa upcoming convention. Plus may magagandang mga raffle prizes. Sige nga, can you expound on this, Miss Cherry, para ma-entice naman ating mga
It's a
riders?
yeah. We have been trying to circulate different information on what they can expect when they attend a certain convention, a
Yes.
national motorcycle convention, which we may have to clear that this is not a typical trade fair
Yes.
or more of like a Changi event for motorcycle. So, as you know, that convention is open to registered delegates.
Yes.
Registered candidates that belong to the National Federation of Motorcycle Clubs in the Philippines. By saying that, we already have guaranteed attendees to this event. Okay. Now, when they attend there for 2 days, of course, they will. The programs are designed in a way of their interests that they will only experience when they attend a convention. The side activities of having exhibitions or having displays of the normal stuff on a trade expectation, say you have a display of certain brands there, promos or so activities, lahat naman na-experience yan eh. You don't have to become a delegate. However, when you attend the convention, the highlight there is their riders' night, or should we say a fellowship night for all those delegates to gather in one hall, one place, all close to 3,000 of them, representing with pride all their respective clubs.
Colors.
Yeah, 177 to the count as we are speaking.
Clubs,
right now.
motorcycle clubs.
Yeah. Some of them,
Congratulations.
congratulations to all of them.
Thank you,
but-
senor.
they go there together, whether you are a very, like you've been a member for 20, this is 27 years already, by the way. The national convention that we are holding on Subic is running for 27 years.
Wow.
So if you are a club member since the founding years, meaning you're a club existing for 27 years.
Wow.
how would a new club who will newly be inducted feel to be together with those clubs who have been around for 27 years?
That's true. That's
So,
true.
yeah, so the kind of experience for those clubs, syempre they look forward to this event. They want to stand in front of all those riders and represent their respective clubs.
That's
right? Yeah.
That's true.
And then we have them, we would have exciting motorcycle raffle. I'm not so sure in the past.
How many?
You try to guess, Mark. Senor, try to guess. This is the
Okay.
time dude, I don't know
Okay.
if
How many
I'm missing
motorcycles
something.
for raffle to be given away by Widow Sands?
And big bikes lahat, ah.
Big bikes, ah, 400cc
big
above.
bikes lahat.
3 bikes?
No? More.
What do you think of us?
Wow! More than 3?
We want to level up, you know?
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay,
Give
but
me a guess.
kailangan present.
Of course.
Presence is needed
Yes, yes.
for you to win the prize. Oh, fellow big bikers, fellow two-wheel fanatics, street talks, umattend po kayo ng National Convention,
Yeah.
more than 3 big bikes po ang pamimigay as a raffle.
Yeah.
What a lucky guy or lucky girl, no? Ang masasali doon. Kasi maraming alpha male. 5 motorcycles?
Yes.
Yes, there are.
Wow, again, congratulations. On
I'm not
behalf
sure, yeah.
of...
Was there any convention that gave away more than 5 more big
Wala.
bikes? Not
Wala.
that I know of.
Wala.
Maybe you,
No.
Senor, did you know?
I've been a member of motorcycle convention. I'm a member of a motorcycle club 2003. Okay. Till now, that's my club. Okay. When I learned about the National Annual Motorcycle Convention, every time that there will be one,
Just
I will
one.
join. Every time that there will be one, I will join. Again, natigil ang pandemic. I'm talking about myself, no? But we look forward. Medyo pag tiga Luzon, yung Luzon, medyo sanay na tayo dyan eh, no? So, what we do is we assist our fellow riders ng Visayas and
Yeah.
Mindanao. But pag Visaya and Mindanao Convention, wala pa ako naalalang 5 motorsiklo po ang pinaraffle. Basta ang alam ko dyan, maraming magagandang babaeng umaattend eh. Senyor John, ganun pa rin po ba?
Actually, isa yun sa pinupuntahan natin.
Yan. Yan. What a beautiful fellowship.
Yeah.
What a beautiful fellowship, especially sa Friday night when you arrive, no, as a delegate, no, you carry your colors proudly. And then rest ng konti, no. Sasalubungin ng mga tiga Luzon ng Widow Sands yung Visayas, Mindanao. And then ang culminating yan would be yung ating Saturday,
Yes.
yung important dinner. I
That's
understand.
not only the dinner. We scheduled a club president's ride on some, it's a branch ride actually.
Okay.
For the all club presidents.
Okay. That would be Senyor June, Saturday around lunch.
Lunch.
Around
Lunch. Similar to where we saw each other in Davao
Yeah,
last year.
That's right.
Last year.
Yeah,
And
Nice.
we also scheduled a group rides. It's a guided ride,
Okay.
escorted ride for the delegates who are not presidents of the club. So
Yes. If
they're
they
going
are-
to be escorted going to Mount Saman, especially to
Mount
those-
Saman.
Yeah, especially those riders who will ride all the way from the province.
Wow. Napakagandang venue, place. Straight and twisties. Ano, going to Mount Samat, Bataan. And then ang laki ng cross po natin dyan na imposible silang hindi sign of the cross pampaswerte.
Like in Brazil.
Yeah.
Like in Brazil, yeah. Like in Brazil, agree. Bakit umaattend ang isang rider, big biker sa National Convention? Correct me if I'm wrong, no, Senyor June. But ako, again, since I joined my club, 2003, beloved club, I look forward really in joining motorcycle convention. Why? Kasi this is the perfect place to break a bread, drink a few 2 bottles here and there with fellow riders from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And here you're talking about different discipline of motorcycles, different brands, and carrying different colors. But at the end of the day, what is very important is the love for 2 wheels. As a corporate guy, when I go out and travel, and you ride the plane, regardless of the uniform you wear or the brand shirt you wear, masyadong formal eh. But I remember myself traveling and wearing motorcycle shirt, brand. And then immediately, the people that will see me or sit beside me, ang haba na ng kwentuhan, Pres Jun. And then the kwentuhan is as if walang lal because you're talking about to a fellow rider.
Yes.
And I think, Senyor Jun, that's the purpose and that's one essence why we really convene and attend and we look forward to. Tama ba yun, Senyor Jun?
Yes, actually tama yun. On my part, actually looking back as not the president of the federation right now, but as a rider, nung una, umattend ako ng convention, ang expectation ko, ano bang meron doon? Diba?
Yes.
Ang gusto mo lang, you got to ride in that another place.
Yes.
It's not an excuse.
Yes. Yes.
From
We
your
have
family to escape it.
an official excuse. Yes.
Yeah.
Tama ka. Once you get there, you met a lot of people, you met a lot of clubs,
Yes.
you exchange ideas, you have
Yes.
something in common.
Yes.
You started to appreciate
Yes.
na okay pala umaten. Anyway, ang objective naman ng National Federation is basically to unite all to create an avenue for all the riders, clubs nationwide to gather together and enjoy the fellowship of each other. Basically, yun naman yung idea niya.
Correct.
Ever since.
Correct.
You know, if I may have to add there, the convention.
Yes, please, Senora.
Also, why do clubs, generally speaking, would like to be part of the invite to attend a convention? Because remember, not just riders can come in.
Yes.
It has there's a certain step that you need to become a member to get in there.
Yes.
Right? So why do coming from as a president, maybe it is best if him saying like how do you actually recruit a specific club? What is the interest of this club when they want to join
Okay.
federation? Who are the ones who belong or who are the ones who are being invited for a convention? Kasi some clubs, iba-iba ang interest eh. They just want to ride, period. Right? But in clubs who joins us, majority of them are in seek. They're looking for a more, other reasons why they want to ride. Some of them have advocacies, and they partner with the federation for doing more cause than just riding.
Yes.
Diba, sir? Yeah.
Actually, I've been asked so many times when I became the president of LMFI, many clubs that I invited, why are we going to join
Yes.
LMFI? What's in it for us?
What's the benefit?
Yes.
Alam mo yan, they're always asking for the benefits.
Yes.
Okay. Before, we tied up nga with lifestyle riding. That's one of our pronouncements.
That's the show of our Senora Cherry,
Yes.
Lifestyle Riding.
Yeah, actually we signed a partnership with Lifestyle Riding and the LMFI
Wow.
to help us and other clubs. Sabi nga niya, nagra-ride naman sila, they got to spend money going to the restaurant. Why do give them the privilege of going there and paying less
Yes.
and save something for your club?
Why not?
Pero
Diba?
ngayon,
Why not?
ngayon hindi na yun yung pronouncement ko eh. Kasi you have, every club has a bigger responsibility now. Kasi if you're going to join LMFI or the Mindanao Federation or the Visayas Federation, for that reason alone, parang
Kulang.
kulang.
Yeah. Hilaw.
Okay. Kasi ngayon, ang LMFI has an advocacy. We are supporting an advocacy for education.
Which is
So
education.
we tied up with
We tied up with
DepEd
DepEd.
and
Oh.
Tourism Promotion Board, also with Lifestyle Riding, to help. Ang tawag ng DepEd dito is last mile schools. And there are thousands nationwide.
Last.
Last mile. Last
Sila
mile.
yung hindi...
Ganda, di ba?
Last
Parang
mile,
bagay.
yeah.
Last mile school.
Yeah.
And you'll be surprised. There are thousands of schools na hindi nakakatanggap ng ayuda na, or kaya nakakatanggap pero kulang na tuna.
Or late.
So ito
Because-
yung advocacy ng LMFI na ini-introduce ko. Now, you get the chance to participate and support this advocacy.
Wow.
Pangalawa, ang LMFI naman dahil we are being recognized kasi pag may mga policy making body na related sa motorcycle, we are the first one. That's the approach. The Congress and the Senate tayo pinatataw.
Yes, yes. That I remember.
So-
And upon hearing you, Senor President June and Senora Cherry, I feel proud of being a member now of LMFI and really joining the National Convention. Kasi hindi lahat ng nagbi-big bike pwede pong umattend yan.
Yes,
Yun
exactly.
yung sinasabi mo, Senora Cherry. Kung ako regular big biker right now o new big biker, pero hindi ako representing a club at yung club ko hindi part of that federation, whether Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, then hindi sila automatic eh. So what we will humbly inform them is to join a club and make sure that that club is registered. And tignan mo naman, nagra-ride na tayo, nakaka-give back pa tayo dun sa last miles.
Yeah.
Wow.
Because the bigger your number is, the stronger your voice is. Say if there are any issues, most likely, and you have a good number of really registered and legit groups that are existing for years, not just a fly-by-night, or more of like, let's call it enthusiast clubs alone, right? That makes your very clear differentiation. What are the kind of clubs that are signed up for a national federation compared to the ones that they just do it because out of leisure now. But we wish to convert these groups or community to become more active and play an important and integral role on the entire riding community. So those are big ideas. And hopefully, without, sana may mga tumutulong, diba, para those ideas come to life.
Come to life. I agree. And I'm sure, as mentioned earlier, Senora Cherry, that you're part of, you have a show, you're a producer, and
Yeah.
what you just mentioned, you'll be also announcing and featuring, di ba?
Yeah.
Sige, go ahead.
Why
Please talk
not?
about.
Because what's the very nice content to put up a pilot for an entire season of 13 episodes, but to start it off with the National Federation's annual motorcycle convention, right?
Amen.
Yeah, so,
Agree.
I mean, there could be other content that anybody can just do, but nobody will own the National Federation's motorcycle convention.
We're touched, we're
As a
touched.
pilot. As a pilot.
As a pilot.
Yes, as a pilot. So, the whole of that would feature the history of what the National Federation is all about, all the governing regions from LMFI, Visayas Confederation Motorcycle Big Bikes, and then the Mindanao Convention of Motorcycle Big Bikes as well. Putting them all together makes them as strong as the National Federation, plus the rest of the clubs who have contributed so much. When we say contribution, we're talking about the farthest ones, the most difficult areas to go, but they still manage to go there, the biggest delegates. So we
Yes.
highlight all of those, and those are the things that they have to look forward to.
Yes.
Because it will come out in a 13 episode one season.
You'll be surprised, we have all this rider active. He will ride from Iloilo to the convention, 87 years old.
Oh, that's the most senior.
Yes.
87 years old.
I met one, he's 84.
Okay.
But he is now 87.
Wow.
So we're going to,
Legends.
Legends.
Yeah.
he knows
Legends.
all the clubs.
OG,
The
OG.
prominent clubs.
OG. Senior Press June, dapat umabot tayo ng ganon at nagra-ride pa tayo. What do you think, Senyora?
I know. Right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Magpa-stencil na kayo. So you can lift your bikes by the time you're 80, right? I mean, there's
Yes.
no way you can do that if you don't do anything to yourself.
So eat healthy.
Right?
Anyway, going back, you mentioned a while ago, Senyora, about certain issues, you might want to discuss a little bit, we two wheels, we love it, it's really close to our heart. But are there any two-wheel issue that you would like to discuss here, that we talk about, that maybe we shed light from experience to our fellow two-wheel passionista there? Ako na magsa-start, yung meron akong napanood recently show, replay na lang it talk about, hindi siya a big bike, but it talk about e-bike. No? At ang natatawa ko, nung pinanood ko yung show na yun, nung pumasok, naka-helmet. By the way, this is my helmet. So, sponsor po natin yan, 60. This is the safest helmet. No? Meron siyang Omni technology. But going back to that show, it's a big bike. Ang sabi niya, pasok niya, Michael Dito So, siya ko nga rin instructor. Pagpasok ng isa, may bit-bit na helmet. Tapos ang sabi niya, bakit kami dalang helmet? Alam mo naman, rider tayong ganyan So, hindi mo kailangan yan. And because of that, tawa ako ng tawa. Tinanong niya, ano ba bang kailangan meron kayo? Di pinakita. Sabi nung second student, Sir, ito po, lisensya. Di ba ganyang rider ka? Hindi mo kailangan yan. Kasi maakas tayo Alam mo yung show na yun, tawa ako ng tawa. Because, honestly speaking, di ba, as a fellow rider, sabi nga nila, joke is always half meant.
Yeah.
Pero hindi pwedeng maging ganun nakakatawanan kasi ang mangyayari magiging unsafe. And sad to say, ang pagmamotor po pag may nangyari sa'yo, walang director, senior-seniora na magsasabing cut Diba? So, yun yung akin. And baka meron kayong gustong idea or any concept. Marami dyan. Ako, isa lang dyan is dapat we give back. Yung schooling, importante.
I will share
Yes, senyor.
this also affects the motorcycling industry, not just the big bikes. Senator J.B. Ejercito is modifying the Senate, the bill 8611-135, that's
Okay.
our motorcycle law,
Okay.
and impose a lot of sanctions to motorcycles, which is not fair compared to the four-wheelers.
Okay.
So it also involves the plata, the very controversial one.
Yes.
So he is now amending the bill through a Senate bill.
Yes. That I heard, senyor.
Yeah. So element 5, going back, we are being always consulted. We are part of the policy making body.
Yeah.
We are part of the all the clubs that represents the motorcycle industry.
Yes.
So our input is very viable to that.
Yes.
So binaba lahat ng mga imposition. Yung penalties, yung kulong, gano'n.
Yeah.
And then yung ating sa doble paka, meron ng standard size, yung harapan infrared na lang.
Infrared na lang.
Parang RFID, sorry.
Yes. Before kasi, senyora,
They have.
it's like
They wanted
this
it.
kind of plate,
Yeah,
no?
yeah.
And this is bigger than our front windshield,
Because the guys who are writing are not writers. That's why it's difficult for them to realize it's an inconvenience.
And the penalties is sobrang laki. Imagine if you're like riding a scooter. You bought the scooter for 15 or 20,000.
And your
There are
penalties
certain
10,000.
penalties, 10,000. Very
Very, very.
So ngayon, nakita nila yung pagkakamali. Instead of revoking the previous law, Senator JB, through his initiative, is amending it by a Senate bill.
Wow. So thank you to our fellow rider, Senator
Yes,
JV. No, so now he's
Siya talaga.
nice. So, Senator, ano sila may motorismo pa sila together ng ating mga fellow riders, di ba? Yung
Yes.
very active promoting the Philippines. Yes.
Philippine tourism.
Yes, Philippine tourism. Yeah. Which I'm sure LMFI also is part of, helping also.
Yes, in fact, PMT is one of our biggest sponsor.
Beneficial. Okay.
So he sponsored us.
Okay.
They sponsored us.
So, we look forward in seeing you in that convention. So, thank you, Senyor June and Senora Cherry.
Anytime.
So, anytime, all the time. So,
Senyor.
please invite our fellow two-wheel fanatics there again
Yeah.
on the Miss Cherry.
I'll do it and then you cap it.
Yes, yes.
Yes, on Subic, that would be on April 26, 27. That's 2 nights, yeah. As a rider representing your respective clubs, as members of the National Federation of Motorcycle Big Bikes of the Philippines, And we want them to, for those who have not registered and who are thinking pa, and then siguro by the time close to the event, they make up their mind. The website has full information about the event. That's 27th NFMC, www.27nfmcp.com, which is the same social media account of our Facebook official as information bulletins are being published every so often that would contain the schedules, the things that they will be expecting, and these things that you see on their table.
Yes.
That should probably also excite them soon.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Thank you.
For the first time, that's the
So,
first.
for the first time.
Yeah.
So, to the delegates, advance information, this is the beautiful shirt
Yeah.
that Senor Presidente Jun and
Yeah.
Senora
The model.
I am wearing
Cherry,
it.
the model.
Yes,
Ay,
yes.
tingnan
Oh,
niyo, model.
teka muna ha.
Yeah.
Basahin
Okay,
ko yung nasa
there,
likod,
there.
ha. So if you're one of those who would like to have your ride coats, akala ko dasal.
Okay.
I like
Let's,
that
let's
there.
read a few.
Yeah.
Born to ride,
Mhm.
forced to work. Sabi nila, busy yung busy. Nakakastorbo ang work sa pagra-ride. No?
Yes.
Life is short, buy the motorcycle. Agree?
Agree.
Ride it like you stole it. I totally agree. I love riding, spirited driving. Yeah.
Yes.
So, babasahin pa natin.
Bunch of them. Yeah.
So-
That's fine. I mean, you did a good first 3 rounds there.
Two wheels
So.
move the soul. So,
Yeah.
di ba? Sabi nga nila
Senora Cherry thought that it was a prayer.
Yeah, well, the first time I haven't read it yet.
Our prayer.
Kasi knowing that the host club are Masonic riders, right?
Yes.
I thought like, maybe they have a certain, they have like some sort of mantra. I don't know, but that was of course before seeing the entire thing.
Yes.
And so what's all of this context at the back of the shirt? And then I said, okay. I said it without reading. And then he said like, right, coats yan. Sabi ko, oh, I'm so sorry. Akala ko
So-
nagdadasal tayo.
So, code pala. Hindi
Quotes,
pala.
I'm
yeah.
supposed to put all the clubs.
Yes.
But there's just too much of them.
But
Yes.
I cannot wait, I cannot
Yeah.
wait anymore for the
That
other
was the
clubs to
original
release.
thought of it. So there, so those are these logos are representing, because it's happening in Luzon, there's LMFI, the National Federation, and then
Nice.
Renaissance. And
Very-
then they have this
very
cute
nice
structure,
shirt.
yeah.
And then, we have a beautiful
Kasi mainit.
shades.
Yeah. Sa'yo na yan.
Oh, yes. Thank you,
Hindi
thank
na
you.
kita bibigyan sa 26. I will advance
thank
it
you.
for you.
And Senor,
Yeah.
first time we have a convention coin.
Yes.
This one is the logo of the National Federation.
And
Yes.
And this is
FMCP.
our
We
bike
present,
organization,
yeah.
the host
Our
club.
the host club.
So
Okay.
will be part of the token to be
Para kang
given.
pumunta sa Europe, tapos na-meet mo yung Pope, di ba? Kasi
Exciting.
And meron pa.
ganun na mga binibigay sa
And
gano'n.
meron pa. We also have the
And more!
Yeah.
Hindi lang 5 big bikes ang pamimigay.
we have the
Meron
Federation
patch na
Plus.
po kayo.
Yes.
Oh, didn't you know that for the very first time, the convention is monitored through a very,
Very...
we don't just let them go in, and so like these delegates coming in are QR coded and coded. So,
Wow.
so technically, parang, are you really sure
High-tech.
your mic to go?
Yes, yes,
We
high-tech.
will have a way to do that.
Okay. Nice. Ito, I want to further ask. Kasi sabi mo...
Ginto
Senyor-
yan, ah.
Sabi mo... Akin na to, ha? Hindi, sabi ni Senyor Pres June
Oo.
na first time to sa National
Yes.
Convention.
I cannot recall any convention for the past 26 years that has given for as
Yes.
part of the convention kit the token,
Which-
like a challenge coin.
Which I can attest. Kasi sa 20 motorcycle convention yata ang mga nasalihan ko na eh. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. And again, congratulations. Pero may istorya to eh. Senior
Yes,
President
yeah.
June eh. Sige nga, you call it coin challenge. No?
Challenge coin.
Challenge coin,
Yes.
challenge coin. So, what's the concept? Sige, let's share. Kasi
Kasi
maganda
people,
eh.
akala nila there's
Yes,
a
yes.
bookmark on
So
their
you bring it.
board.
Senora Cherry is also
Asking the same
before.
question,
What
yeah.
is a challenge coin?
Oh. He answered, Senyor answered.
Oh yeah, but I just
Yes.
didn't listen to him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very,
Okay.
it caught me a while ago eh. That's why I'm asking now eh. Sige.
So, for example, in our group, in Widow Sons, we all have a challenge going.
Okay.
Every time we went to for example, a club, we have a fellowship that we're going to pay individually. So those who, for example, I can challenge you, if I put the coin on the table and we're paying a bill, if we don't have this coin, you're going to pay.
Oo. Patay ako
If we
kaya.
agree, if Cherry is happen to be our member, I showed my coin and she also showed her coin.
Yeah.
And you
I'm
don't
free.
have a coin.
You take the bill.
Oo, ba ito naman ako.
But if both of you doesn't have a coin to show,
Split
you
the
will
bill.
split the bill.
Yeah.
That's basically the concept.
Okay.
So you bring this coin even if you're
Everywhere
not
you go.
riding. Even if you're not riding. You may get acquainted of your fellow club at members. You implement it before you have a small drink in the bar.
Yes.
Put it like that.
Yeah.
Then you're free.
Yes,
That's
yes,
it.
free.
But the challenge is if he showed his coin, you will pay.
Oh no.
Yes, you will pay because you're the one challenging him.
Nice.
Yeah, that's the concept of challenge coin.
Thank you, Senyor Pres June. Alam mo, Senyora, that's why may two logos po yan eh. So, sa ating mga members of a motorcycle club, carrying our colors proudly is very important.
Yeah.
Because when you go international, hindi po first name eh. It's the club that you're part of eh. Tama ba, Senyor June? No? And that's an international thing. And maybe, or allow me, and that's also one reason kung bakit sumasali talaga ng motorcycle club ang isang tao.
Tsaka, Senyor, in the international community, I used to bring a lot of this, not only one copy. Because if you happen to go there with the other bike clubs, they also have a challenge going.
Okay.
You will exchange challenge going. And they're collecting it. They're putting it on their wall. So they...
Kung piso! Hindi man lang 20 pesos! So, talo! Bayan, Miss Jenny. So,
See, you have not even been to the convention and you're learning something already.
exactly.
Every
This,
Right?
imagine, Senyor Mano has been attending convention for 20 years, but this is the first time na meron, and I learned something. No?
Yeah.
So every day, we really learn something from each other. So hindi lang po yan sa school, sa office, but also in the world of two wheels.
Yeah.
So,
Kasi this year, Senior, we wanted to give as many tokens as possible to our delegates. So we have partnered also with Wiltec, and I mentioned that Wiltec and Motu, they're our
Yes.
partner. They're not just a
yes.
sponsor, they're a partner. And they will also provide token.
Yeah.
And the delegates, through a claim stop, they will claim it to their...
That's how it looks like.
Yes.
Each of them will
This is the ID, and this is the claim stop.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
claim stop.
Say, it says there, day 2 beer, day 2 beer, day 2 dinner.
Ikaw naman,
Day-
dapat hindi mo
Ah, day
binasa
one.
yan.
Ah,
Huwag ka
okay.
sa-
Day 1. Hindi kasi yun ang gusto natin eh. Yun ang mga gusto ng rider.
Yeah.
Day 1 beer,
Yeah.
day 1 beer.
You cannot get your day 2 beer if it's day 1, okay?
Yes, okay,
Huwag niyo
okay.
na akong kulitin.
Again, Kid Code Live podcast is honored to have you, Senyor Presidente June, Luzon Motorcycle Convention President, and also the National Federation President. Hindi po lahat nabibigyan ng chance magganyan kasi lahat po ng big bike clubs sa kanila po nag-clear ng mga concern na ganyan. And honored also to have you, Miss Senora Cherry, Lifestyle Riding.
Yes.
So let's support and watch po and learn about motorcycles. And see you soon. Would you like to say some parting words to our fellow two-wheel passionista?
Well, we ride the Swan on April 26 and 27 at the Subic Bay Exhibition Center for the annual motorcycle convention. The 27th year is 2024.
Yeah, 27 na.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow! Senyor Presidente June, last words?
I will just share this to my fellow riders. All roads lead to happiness. Ang hirap yung team na to. 2 oras namin binuto sa dami namin. All road.
And I
All
didn't
road.
believe it.
All road leads to happiness.
Yeah.
All road.
I will agree.
Ang sabi namin, kahit saan tayo pumunta, ang gusto natin happy tayo dun sa destination.
Yes.
So, sa haba-haba ng aming pagdidebate, ganito lang ang inabot namin. All the roads lead
No,
lead
that was
to
the time that we
happiness.
were
So,
planning. What's
to our
the
fellow
theme?
riders,
What's that?
welcome. We hope to see you all at the convention.
Yes. Again, on behalf of Street Talks, thank you so much, Senyor Presidente Jun, our National Motorcycle Convention President and also Luzon Motorcycle Federation President. And Senora Cherry, thank you, it's our honor.
Thank you, Senior Mark and
Yes.
Street
Talks?
Talk,
Yeah.
Street Ride Podcast.
Yeah.
So
Congratulations also for the show, and we are very, very happy that you are supported with their federation.
Thank you, Senora Cherry, Senyor Jun. This is Senyor Mark De Hoya of Street Talks. Ciao!